That's so cool. That's scary. Shh, down.
Where do you think it's at? Let's go for a cruise.
I think it's John Milliken, maybe? By Milliken?
You think maybe that road right between that goes between from Milliken to Johnstown?
I think so. Oh, that just gave me the shivers. Oh, like that just gave me the shivers.
When we first came out?
Yeah. Ooh, you got some freaking good ones. What? Her.
Dude, that's what it started out as when we first came out here.
Oh, yeah, look, it's fat.
Look.
Uh-huh.
That's scary.
Jeez, it's fat.
Yeah,
Yeah, I hope nothing is like in its way, you know.
Right?
It's getting fatter.
That's cool. Dang. That was scary when I heard the siren.
I know. It was like I think there's a tornado siren. I'm like, no, and then we heard it in Evans. I'm like, oh shit, yeah.
Well, my
And then
phone went off.
Police scanner.
And me and Sarah were like, it was like tornado warning for your area. And me and Sarah both kind of glanced at what the fuck ever.
Yeah,
And
like
then I pulled up the weather and I'm like, no, it really says, Sarah. And then we came out and I'm like, fuck, there's a real funnel cloud.
yeah, dang, look at that. It's coming this way. It's getting. You could tell the dust is coming this way.
And you can see it moving.
It's getting closer, huh? It's getting closer. No.
Oh, and where are we gonna hide down here over there?
It's because the lightning's coming this way.
No, we would probably have to cut through that water thingy and hide there. I would.